Beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Sylvia. I'm a YouTuber based in Russia. So my amazing returnees, thank you all so much for always coming back to watch me. So fam, in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I turn this straight wig right here into a bob short wig. So I will be turning this hair to short wig. So fam, let's dive right into the video. So guys, just watch and see how I will cut this hair, and I will turn it into short. This is the front of the wig right here. So I will be using this measurement, this closure measurement, to go with the hair. So this is the length we are working with, guys. This is it right here. Guys, if you are doing this, be careful with the measurement so that some place will not be longer than some. So you have to use your one mat comb like this to be doing the measurements.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
So guys, I'm done cutting the hair to my desired size. So this is the length I want the hair to be. Yeah, this is it over here, and I will just go in with my shea butter and my aqua water for the hair. So this is leave-in conditioner and shea butter. So
when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So guys, I have my straight line here.
That's all I
want. I'm doing session by session, okay?
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Guys, can you see?
When nothing really matters,
so this is how I
that's
do it
all
all.
I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
So beauties, this is the end result of this hair right here. You can see, guys, this is it. Comment down below, how do you see this wig? Is it okay? Did I try? Let me know, guys. And if you watch up till now, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, don't leave without subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.